your kids have to make their own mistakes, or would you still draw a line and say ये तो नहीं हो सकता है?
In things like this, are you asking?
And this is for like, I mean, all of you, but the panel.
नहीं मतलब
I can answer it from a different perspective. He can answer it from a different perspective.
Yeah.
हाँ.
I mean, I know you don't have kids, but
I would say honestly that regardless of what my father told me, he was right wherever he came from. But regardless of that, I only learnt it when I made that mistake myself. And then it was fully ingrained within me that I would never repeat that mistake again. He was doing his bit as a father and he was absolutely right. But I just feel it's human nature that you just tend to really
learn.
imbibe that habit within yourself once you've made
yeah, I would agree to what he's saying. I think
It's
you
very
have to be-
difficult to. So we all, as parents, want to be what you're saying.
Yeah.
That let them learn from their own mistakes, but it's very, very difficult.
नहीं हो पाता.
Yeah.
मतलब कि वो 20% शायद हम मैनेज कर लेते होंगे, बट वो 80% और वो 20% में भी क्या होता है कि फ्रॉम इनसाइड यार अभी बोलूं नहीं ये नहीं होना चाहिए, नहीं करने दूंगा. दैट कीप्स हैपनिंग.
Yeah. It's a tricky.
Yeah.
Parenting is hard.
She's just become
It's not hard, it's more.
Congratulations. Thank you. It's been a year.
It's been
I
a
have
year.
a beautiful daughter. So,
It's just the beginning.
so I'm taking tips.
Wait,
this is
wait.
just the beginning. Yes.
Enjoy it for the next 10 years.
started saying, Mama.
4 years.
Huh?
4 years.
Yeah, but I would still say 10 years. Enjoy it for the next 10 years.
10.
I'll take 10. I'll take.
Rakul, I have a question for you.
Yeah.
Again, I want to say that De De Pyar De, the first part, was one of my favorite films that came out just before COVID, before the lockdown. So that was one of the last films I'd watched before we all went into
Really?
quarantine.
It was 6 months before.
Yeah, just, I mean, I
that come.
don't venture out often until the
7-8.
film kind of excites me.
Right.
So I watched that film and I remember तब भी मुझे ये तुम्हारे character के बारे में ये बहुत interesting लगा, because as a modern girl is what I would like to call myself. When I saw you in that scene where you wake up in a stranger's house,
Yeah.
and I am expecting your reaction to be मेरे साथ क्या हो गया?
Right.
अरे मैं यहाँ क्या कर रही हूँ and all of that, but you just went back to sleep. You just went back, you know, to
No, I think I went and tried to act over smart with Ashish's
हाँ.
character. कि मुझे पता है जो भी होगा.
Yeah,
Like,
correct.
Don't expect anything. Like, you know, just too cool for school kind of.
yeah. So
Yeah.
was playing this character liberating for you in any way? कि यार ये लड़की, are you like her? Or do you feel
I
like
don't think I'm like her when it comes to something like this, but I think it's always good to play characters that are strong-headed.
Yeah.
You do sort of get some sense of strength from those characters. I do believe also that there are certain similarities, like Aisha is a very headstrong girl and she knows exactly what she wants in life and she will fight for it.
Yeah.
And